Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Forge mod. First, ensure you have the Java Development Kit, version 17 or newer, installed on your computer. Next, download the Minecraft Forge Mod Development Kit for the specific Minecraft version you wish to mod. Extract these files into a new, dedicated project folder. Finally, open this folder using an integrated development environment such as IntelliJ IDEA to begin your modding journey. Once your environment is ready, you'll configure your project. Open the build. Gradle file to add any required dependencies and repositories for your mod. Then, update the mods. TOML file with essential metadata, such as your mod's unique identifier, display name, and current version. After these steps, execute the appropriate Gradle task, like Gen IntelliJ runs, to properly set up your integrated development environment for development and testing. Now for the exciting part, developing your mod's features. You'll start by creating your main mod class, which is annotated with @mod. This class serves as the central hub for registering all your custom content and events. To add new elements like blocks or items, extend Minecraft's existing classes and define their unique properties. Leverage Forge's powerful event bus to introduce custom behaviors and interact seamlessly with the game's core mechanics. After developing your features, thorough testing is crucial. Use the Run Client Gradle task to launch Minecraft with your mod loaded, allowing you to test everything in-game. If you encounter any issues, utilize your integrated development environment's debugging tools to pinpoint and resolve them efficiently. Once your mod is stable and ready, execute the Build Gradle task to compile it into a single, distributable JAR file, ready for others to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.